A polynomial is an algebraic expression of one or two or more terms. For example, monomial. A monomial is an algebraic expression of one term. For example, we have 3x squared is a monomial. Another is 10. 10 is a constant and it is a monomial. Another is 5xyz. So 5xyz is a monomial. Another is binomial. A binomial is an algebraic expression of two terms. For example, x plus 2. So the first term and the second term. Another is y minus 5. Another is a plus b. So if you observe a binomial, it has plus or minus in between the variable and the constant or both variables. Another is trinomial. A trinomial is an algebraic expression of three terms. For example, x squared plus 2x plus 3. So the first term, the second term, and the third term. That's why it is a trinomial. It consists of three terms. Another example is a plus b plus c, or x plus y minus z. So you can see also the plus or minus in between the first term and second term, and the second term and the last term. Another is multinomial. Multinomial is an algebraic expression of four or more terms. For example, we have x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 3y plus 5. So if we count the terms, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 terms, it is multinomial. So you should remember that if it is multinomial, it has 4 or more terms. Another is, let's say we have a minus b plus c minus d. So it has 4 terms and it is also a multinomial. How can we determine the degree of a given term or given terms? So the degree of a given term is determined by the exponent of the variables or variable. Let's say for example, you have 2x. So the degree can be determined by the exponent of the variable. So since there is no written exponent, it is understood that the exponent of x there is 1. So 2x has a degree of 1. Degree 1. Another, let's say for example, you have 3x raised to the third power. Okay. So since the exponent of the variable x is 3, so 3x cubed has a degree of 3. How about 2x raised to the fourth power? So it has a degree of 4. Now, how about if 2 or more variables? What are we going to do if 2 or more variables? For example, 5x squared y. So if 2 or more variables, you have to add the exponent. So for this case, it has a degree of 3 because x squared, so 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Another example, let's say you have 2x raised to the fourth y cubed. So we will add the exponent of the variable x and y. So 4 plus 3, so it has a degree of 7. How about 2 or more terms? Let's say for example, x plus y plus z. So if 2 or more terms, we will get the highest exponent of the given term. So for this case, x raised to the first power, y raised to the first power, and z raised to the first power. So it has a degree of 1. Degree 1. How about if, let's say, you have x raised to the fourth minus y raised to the sixth plus z squared. So as what I have said, if 2 or more terms, we will get the highest exponent. So for this case, it has a degree of 6. How about if 2 or more variables for each term? Let's say, for example, you have 2xy plus 5x squared y squared minus 2x cubed y. So, if we will apply the previous rule, we will add the exponent of the variables. And since it has 3 terms, we will get the highest. So, for this case, we have 1 plus 1, 2. Next is 2 plus 2, 4. Here is 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore, it has a degree of 4.